What's up, guys? So, today we're going to talk about one of the cheapest, most affordable, and believe it or not, reliable shotguns out there. Good old Mossberg Maverick 88. It was the first project firearm I ever had. I bought it, I think it was like
All right,
200,
firing up
200
the
bucks,
Mossberg
something
kit.
along that line. Did all sorts of modifications, abused and beat that bad boy left and right.
Shotgun's reliability in cold weather has never been an issue, always reliable. And with the different interchangeable barrels, you could turn it into a slug gun shotgun. So without further ado, let's do a little history here and get right to it.